Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the wisest purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders head-to-head, the ATTOP drone W10 and the Toy brushless motor drone. Buckle up because it's going to be a turbulent ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP drone W10 comes with a 1080p camera and a 120 degrees wide view lens. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's suspicious backyard activities. Reviewers mentioned the camera is good for sunny days, but has limitations. On the other hand, the Toy brushless motor drone flexes with a 4K camera and a 120 degrees adjustable lens. It's like comparing a photo from your mom's old flip phone to a shot from a Hollywood blockbuster. Reviewers are really impressed with the 4K quality and steady hovering, making it ideal for aerial photography. Next, let's talk about what really matters: your wallet. The ATTOP drone W10 is a thrifty $69, which means you can still afford that overpriced avocado toast. Toy, however, demands a bit more love at $99. But hey, you can't put a price on 4K footage. Oh wait, you can, and it's $99. Most reviewers agree that both drones offer good value for their price, but the Toy is seen as a more premium option. Now, let's dive into flight features. The ATTOP W10 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It does 360 degrees flips, has headless mode, and even lets you toss it to launch. It's basically the drone equivalent of a party trickster. Reviewers found it fun but noted some issues with stability. Meanwhile, Toy comes loaded with high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even 360 degrees obstacle avoidance indoors. It's like the drone that went to college and learned some serious skills. Reviewers loved the smooth flight and obstacle avoidance, making it a favorite for more serious users. Control methods. The ATTOP W10 offers a plethora of options: app touch, voice, gravity sensing, gesture, and remote control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drone controls. Reviewers appreciated the variety, but mentioned some controls were tricky to master. Toy comes with gesture control, headless mode, and an emergency stop. Both drones are basically the overachievers in a school of flying robots, but Toy's controls were highlighted as more intuitive by reviewers. Safety first, folks! The ATTOP W10 comes with 4 propeller guards and a remote that screams at you when the battery is low. It's like your mom yelling at you to come home before dark. Reviewers appreciated these features for kids, though some had issues with durability. Toy, on the other hand, has an electronic fence function to keep it from flying away and comes with a low battery warning. It's like having a built-in babysitter for your drone. Reviewers praised its comprehensive safety features, especially for beginners. Overall, reviewers found the ATTOP drone W10 to be a budget-friendly option with a good range of features, though some noted issues with stability and control. It's a great entry-level drone, especially for kids and beginners. The Toy brushless motor drone, on the other hand, was praised for its high-quality camera, smooth flight, and advanced features, making it ideal for more serious drone enthusiasts. However, some reviewers did mention poor customer support. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The ATTOP drone W10 is a budget-friendly, feature-packed marvel perfect for beginners and kids. Meanwhile, the Toy brushless motor drone is the high-def, high-performance beast for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. The choice is yours. Will you go for the wallet-friendly wonder or the feature-rich flyer? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips from Buy Smart. Fly high and shop smart. Product links are in the description.